Hi, Mika. Hi, Lil Fire. Hello. How are you? Can you move this one away? Sorry. When you start feeling it setting, I'm gonna move it faster. Oh, I'm gonna do one nail clear with glitter so you can see that. You can move that on the side. Sorry. Hello, hello. Hi, Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we're going to do some really fun like 3D flowers using 3 different kind of 3D we have 3D flower using 4D gels. We have 3D using acrylics. A lot of you asking for that too. We're gonna do it all together, and then with 3D with our pre-made is handcraft flowers. I'm gonna pick up some glitter. So obsessed with this. Here's as a glitter. I'm gonna do one clear with that. Oh, I like a little triangle. Let's go in to yellow. There's so many different ways to do ombre though. See, some of you do ombre first, like you doing the nail, the color first, and then you ombre down and put the glitter. Is work either way. I think it works all the way. However you want. Oh, I like it because I kind of contaminate a little bit of glitters here. I even like it better. But you don't want the glitter to get in, just clear coat first. And yeah, it's like a candy corn. If you do lower and you're doing a orange, yellow, and do a white, it's gonna make it look like a candy corns. You are right. Super cute. I love this season. The colors of this season is so nice. Not too dark. Well, it's still bright. Just a little bit. Doesn't matter how long that take you to like getting a